The IQOO Z9s Pro is set to launch soon in the global market, and it looks quite stunning. In this video, I'll talk about its specs, features, advantages, and price. Let's start with the phone's design. According to leaks, the phone will be available in two color options. One is a vibrant orange with a leather-like back that has a lychee pattern, and the other is called Luxe Marble, which likely has a marble pattern on a glass back. However, the frame of the phone will probably be plastic, which is common in this price range. The phone will have a good grip because both the front and back are curved. It's also going to be quite slim, with a thickness of just 7.49 millimeters, making it comfortable to hold with one hand. The phone is expected to weigh around 190 grams. Its design resembles IQOO's flagship phones. It also has an IP64 rating for water and splash resistance, which is a great feature for durability. This year, many mid-range phones are coming with IP ratings, which is a good trend. Now let's talk about the display of the IQOO Z9s Pro. It will have a 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. The refresh rate will be 120 Hz, which is great for smooth scrolling. The most impressive feature is the peak brightness of 4500 nits, so visibility in sunlight will be excellent. For the front camera, there will be a central punch hole with a 16-megapixel camera. Overall, you can expect a very good display, making the multimedia experience enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the camera of the IQOO Neo 9s Pro. It has a dual rear camera setup. The main camera is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with optical image stabilization, and the secondary camera is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. There's also a ring LED flash. The camera can shoot 4K videos and has features like Super Night Shot. Additionally, there are AI features like AI Erase and AI Photo Enhance. I'll share a detailed hands-on review after the phone launches, so stay connected with our channel. Now, let's talk about the performance of the phone. The IQOO Z9s Pro will come with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor built on a 4nm platform, making it power efficient. The maximum clock speed will be 2.63 GHz. The phone is expected to offer 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. While this phone isn't designed for high-end gaming, it can handle games easily on medium settings. As for the battery, it will have a 5,500 mAh capacity with support for 80-watt fast charging, which will charge the battery quickly. As for the price of the IQOO Z9s Pro, it is expected to be around $300. You won't have to wait long as it will launch in the global market soon. Once it's launched, I'll update the exact price in the video description. So, friends, let me know in the comments what you think about the design of the IQOO Z9s Pro. See you in the next video with the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling. The infinite vastness of all that is blackness.